Namaste, Soul Tribe, spiritual healer, back to give you guys a message. Hi, my beautiful Aries, my baby bosses, my kings and queens. I love you guys so much. Hope you guys are well and safe. Happy Sunday to you guys. Hope you're enjoying your beautiful Sunday, going out in nature. Get out of your head, stop overthinking, release your fears, negative thoughts or patterns. Enjoy every day that you have in this earth. Enjoy every single thing that God gives to you. Be grateful. And that is how you manifest more. All right, somebody's wearing a false mask. This is the first thing that I got in my intuition. This message is kind of like a warning. So this is a warning message. That's why I had to come on here real quick and give you guys this warning message, because I am going out in nature today with my grandkids, and I'm going to spend time outside by the river and the water. And so I'm going to give you guys this message before I get my day started. All right. Somebody around you is wearing a false mask, Aries. Okay. And this person's coming towards you, and they're going to tell you everything you want to hear. This person's going to tell you everything you want to hear. This person's going to promise you that they've changed, or this person's going to promise you a relationship, a commitment. They want it all with you. They're so interested in you. They want you so bad. They want to be with you. This person is just like very clingy. This is clingy energy. So somebody could be clingy, or they're just coming on too strong right now. Yeah, this is somebody that, could be sending you a lot of messages, text messages back and forth all of a sudden. Somebody you haven't heard from in a while, because it was in reverse. Somebody you haven't heard from in a while is going to resurface. They're going to come to you all of a sudden with all these text messages, all this communication. They really want to get into your energy, but they're wearing a false mask. So be careful, okay? What I got when I channeled this message is that you're headed on a whole new path. You're on a new journey. You are starting to love yourself more than before. You're starting to really like gain your strength and your confidence back. All right, because you're gaining your strength and your confidence back. You're actually being like, you feel comfortable in your own skin. You're not sitting in here in this woe is me energy. You're waking up ready to get your day started. You're motivated. You're doing things. You're living your best life, or you're living a better quality of life for yourself. You're making healthier choices and decisions. You're very humble. You're genuine, but you had a major transformation, out of body experience, like an awakening. So yeah, this person with a false mask is coming towards you because they're coming back to you, or they're coming towards you. This person is packing. When I heard this, they're coming back packing HIV. All right, so somebody's sick. Somebody's sick with an incurable disease or sickness, illness, sexual transmitted disease. This person's desperate to come towards you, and they have been assigned to take you out, okay? Because they literally tried everything they could to take you out, to make you sick, to make you ill. They poisoned your food. They did spell work. We already know. This comes up in every reading. So this group of people is desperate. Like I said, this could be family, community, people in your past, exes, lovers. These people are desperate to stop you and block your light, because you came to this earth to share a lot of beautiful knowledge, inspiration. Your gifts are meant to heal Mother Gaia, heal other people. You're this very loving earth angel energy. All right. So right now you could be holding back your sexual energy. You could be celibate right now. Maybe you're withholding sex from anybody right now. You're just clearing out your sexual energy. You're reevaluating things in your life. All right. You're making better decisions, like I said before. And this person's coming towards you with some sort of STD, HIV, or something like that, sexual disease, and they want to give it to you so bad. You see, this person's hands are like green. This person, like, this is giving me that reptilian energy vibe. This person's body is being taken over by some sort of dark entity, reptile being, or some dark energy, because this person could have like a succubus demon on them, an incubus demon on them. Something that's like sexually can be transmitted to you. All right, this person is not doing very well. This person knows it. So they're going to come towards you. They're going to tell you everything you want to hear, because the devil has this person on a mission to sacrifice you, to give you this sickness, illness, transfer this demonic energy onto you, to block you, to hinder you, to make you sick or ill. So I'm telling you right now, If somebody comes towards you and they're being very persistent and you're like insisting on seeing you right now and they're rushing things and they're like, oh my God, like I really want to be with you, like I really had this awakening, or like I'm on another path, like I'm making better choices, just don't fall for it right away. I'm telling you right now. Because this is the Ten of Pentacles in reverse. This person wants to steal from your sacral chakra energy. They want to steal from your abundance. They want to make sure you don't make it to the top. They want to make sure you don't have nothing. This person is trying to bind you with the devil energy. I can't make it up. This is what's coming out in the deck. I already shuffled this deck. I'm just pulling from the bottom of this deck because that's what I'm being guided to do. All right? So this Ten of Pentacles in reverse and this devil energy, they're trying to come and give you something. They're trying to come and bind you with this energy. They're trying to destroy your light, okay? This Knight of Swords could be involved. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. This is somebody that has the air in their chart, or somebody that put this person up to it, all right? They're sending this person in towards you. Low vibrational energy right here, all right? And you walked away from this person already. You need to keep moving. Keep moving. Don't look back. It's a trap. Yeah, they want to bring this energy of death to your life, all right? It could be a Scorpio, Pisces, or Cancer they're sending into your life to give you this STD. It could be a Capricorn. It could be a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. It could be an Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. These are the signs that are here. Yeah, because they want to ruin your victory. They want to ruin your happiness. They want to ruin your health, your stability. They want to stop you from being in this victorious energy. They want you to carry a heavy burden, and this person is very sneaky and they have ulterior motives. So somebody's being sent towards you in this energy, the Knight of Swords in reverse. They have a false mask to give you some sort of STD or sickness or dark energy they have attached to them, to transfer it to you through sex, maybe through a conversation or energy exchange. Maybe they want to, put this in your food or drink or whatever, but stay away from this person. I feel like this is more like a sexual thing. They literally have to get into your bed and have sex with you to give you this thing that they want to bring to your life to try to take you down. Listen, this is not good. This is not good. They're going to come to you like the Knight of Pentacles. They're going to come to you in this energy. All right, like they're ready to give an equal give and take. And this is not going to be for everybody. This is specific for somebody. You had a narcissistic ex that was resentful. You had family that was trying to take you out. You had siblings working against you. You had these people lying on you, slandering your name. All right, they told this person that it would be easy to get in your energy, that it would be easy to have sex with you, that all they had to do was show up like the Knight of Pentacles. All male or female watching, all they had to do was show up like this. Like they had this genuine energy, like they were this upright standing person, like this person was just very loving and they were like ready to offer you this damn pentacle. But this person is really being sent by the Knight of Swords, or they're really the Knight of Swords in reverse. This person is wearing a false mask. This person wants to take down the star energy, and they want to take this Nine of Cups for themselves. All right, so just know this person is going to come on strong. This person is going to be flirting with you, making sexual advances at you. They're going to insinuate they want to sleep with you. They're so like turned on by you. They want to do all these things to you in the bed. Be careful if somebody comes to you talking like that, because it's a trap. All right, I'm just telling you, it's a trap. They're wearing a false mask, and this is not going to be this is not going to be a long video, but I just wanted to get this reading out. And then I heard the song by Kanye West. In the night, I told the story ever told. Somewhere far along the road, he lost his soul to a woman so heartless. How could you be so heartless? Wow, so somebody's really heartless when they're going to come to you with this energy. You could have children by this person, or you have children, or this person knows everything about you that you've been through. They don't care. This person's desperate. All right, this person is desperate to give this to you because this person can't stand to see you winning. They can't stand to see you happy. This person knows you got a soulmate coming into your life, or that you're going to meet somebody new. This person knows they can never have you again. They can never be with you again, or maybe they just know that intuitively. So they're going to try to send somebody towards you to try to be everything that you ever wanted to give you this, or they're going to come in themselves to pretend that they're going to give you everything you ever wanted, and they change to give you this. So be very mindful. Use your intuition right now. That's why it's important for you guys to meditate and go into isolation right now. Yeah, there's a wolf spirit here, all right? Yeah, so they want to give you this. They want to make you sick or ill, or take you out, basically, so they could give this doppelganger copycat energy. It's almost like they want to give this doppelganger energy, your purpose. They want to give her your gifts. They trying to give her or him your essence and steal it from you by taking you out somehow and putting this copycat in your position. It ain't gonna work. If people know you, they know you're genuine. If people know you, they know your energy. If people know you, they know you're creative. If people know you, they know that you're just yourself. And you don't have to try hard to do whatever it is that you do, whatever it is that they're envious about you for. All right. And this copycat can never stand in your energy, can never be you. This is just not going to work out. All right. Wow, you have a lot of wolves. You have a wolf spirit animal. A wolf is significant here. You could be connected to dogs. Dogs could be like very connected with you, or like when you see dogs, they just come right up to you. Or a wolf, like an animal of a wolf spirit guide, or you like the wolf or something. Somebody has like a wolf blanket or a wolf shirt on their shirt. Wolverine. Somebody likes Wolverine. Somebody watches the Marvel superheroes. Okay, but you're sitting on your throne and they want to take you out of this position. All right, so they're coming in with this false energy, all right, to try to take you out. They're trying to sacrifice you, my love, but you're being protected the most. All right, yeah, the void. Wow, somebody's going to end up in the void energy. Somebody's in the in-between energy, or they're stuck in a dark timeline in the void where it's completely dark for this person. So they need to do something quick because this person's in the void. This person is. That's why they're trying to come and give you this sickness, like this Medusa energy. All right, this person is just like bitter, scorn, and the karmic energy. All right, somebody could be using Medusa energy to try to like steal from your essence. Medusa, something about Medusa. All right, somebody like is demonic. Somebody is like a demon, like this energy, but they're using this Medusa energy, or maybe somehow you're connected to this energy. Medusa is that's from like the this is from like the gods, like Zeus. Somebody could be using Zeus energy. This is like Greek mythology. Somebody could be into that Greek mythology, using the Greek gods to try to do something here, to try to take you out, give you something, transfer your energy to them. This is not going to happen because you're protected by the Greek gods. For somebody watching, what? Rebirth. You had a complete death and rebirth here. All right, you see how this person, it looks like they're dead because the old version of you no longer exists anymore. So they're not going to be able to trick you like they did in the past. This is not going to work. You had a death and rebirth here. I heard Patrick, Patty, Patrick, Patricia. I heard penny. You could be finding pennies on the floor or coins on the floor. This is significant to your money blockages are being removed. Everything they're trying to do right now. It's just really pathetic. You have a loyal friend, which could be a dog. You could have a dog that passed away that's with you in the spirit realm that still protects you. A loyal friend is a dog that passed away. Or you have a pet that's an animal that protects you. Like I said, like the dog family, the wolves. Your wishes are all coming true. Your wishes are being fulfilled, but they're trying to send you an assassin, a spiritual assassin. You see that? That's like a scorpion energy. They want to attach this to your physical body. They want to make you sick. They want to take you down. This is a warning. Yeah, this karmic has a knife behind her back, and this is like this lover chose this karmic over you, got sick or ill. They had multiple lovers. They betrayed you. They never chose you first. And now they're going to come towards you after they got this sickness or illness or whatever they have on them. And they're going to try to give it to you, transfer it to you. They've been spying on you. Spiritual spies, sending a spiritual spy to your home. But you have a deer animal that protects you in the spirit realm. There's a deer here. All right. And this person has the energy of the serpent on them, the snake, serpent spirit. Yeah, but you're getting karmic justice. These scales are balancing out. All right, you're getting karmic justice. Just please protect your sacral chakra energy right now, my beautiful Aries. No new friends, no new lovers, clearing out your energy, taking your time. Unless you're married to somebody, unless you're going to be married to somebody, unless you've been together and you know this person and you have a good connection, that's one thing. I'm not speaking to that group of people, but if you're single and you have these bitter people in your life that you walked away from and they can't stop you, block you, or hinder you, they're really trying to slow you down and silence you. They're gonna try this. That's all I'm saying. They're gonna send this person in the form of a lover, in the form of a friend, or in the form of somebody that is very attracted to you. They want to offer you everything. Be careful. It's not what you think it is. heard Carmen, Kayla, a father figure, and a father figure could have treated you harshly growing up. A father figure could be under judgment. A father figure could be putting this person up to it, or a father figure was like the ringleader here for somebody watching. Wow. This could be your ex-karmic father, baby father, or this could be your father figure. Somebody here has a daughter, all right? You have a daughter if you're watching this video, or somebody here, this father figure has a daughter with you, or somebody here. There's a lawyer here. This lawyer has information, or they're trying to keep something from you, finding this out about a lawyer they work together with. You're the divine feminine. Somebody's going to come like, oh, I'm so sorry I walked away, but don't trust this person. They're being sent to you. I'm trying to tell you. They're going to tell you everything you want to hear, everything you ever wanted from this person in the past, and they never gave it to you. All right, they're going to offer it to you. Or this new person, or this person you just suddenly meet, but they're in this very sexual energy. They want to hurry up and have sex. That's a red flag. All right, you're working on a successful business. You have money miracles coming. All right, somebody here today could be eating, I heard pasta. Somebody could be eating pasta or chicken Alfredo pasta. Chicken Parmesan pasta. I'm smelling like Italian food. Somebody could be Italian. I heard Jeremiah. Somebody's a cheater and a liar, and they're mad because you're on a better path. Yeah, this person was a cheater and a liar, and they're not going to change. This person is getting caught red-handed. In the spirit realm, your ancestors caught this person in what they was trying to do. So this person probably won't even make it to you. Probably this person will end up going to jail before they even come in. Or for some of you guys, this person this person's sickness is getting worse. All right. Yeah, this is about a trust fund or inheritance. Somebody's like mental, like somebody's having a mental health break, like a mental health issue. Somebody's mental. Somebody needs help. All right. There's a karmic female here. Yep. That's also resentful and bitter. All right, this karmic female was a cheater and a liar and sneaky, got caught red-handed, got caught cheating. Somebody had been with a karmic that got caught doing this. If you know you had a karmic that was a male or a female and they already got caught lying and cheating to you in the past, don't fall for this. Don't fall for this trap that they're coming in with. I'm just saying. That's all I have to say. I heard Tanya, Terry, Tori, Lisa, Leslie, Larry, Lauren. Deceitful families involved here. All right. I also heard Leon. Levi, Leon. John. Or Johnny. This is what I'm getting for you guys. So this is just a warning. So be mindful, okay, who you're trusting, who you're letting into your life right now. Because somebody's coming with an ulterior motive. Yes, they're going to act like they like you so much. They want to get to know you, or they want to get in your bed. This was in reverse. I like you. Yeah, this person's going to act like they're a soulmate to you or connect to you. Like it's as if you guys had a past life. This person's going to say that to you. This is a false twin flame. All right, this person's planning to stab you in the back. All right, and then you're going to be heartbroken. All right, so just avoid this whole situation. Please don't indulge in this situation. If somebody loves you, they're going to get to know you. They're going to give you time. They're not just going to want to hurry up and have sex. Cupid's arrow is coming to send you your divine counterpart. So just be mindful. This person was dealing with the girl with the snake that got this person sick in the first place. All right, a butterfly is going to be a significant sign. If you see a butterfly, okay, a ladybug is a significant sign. A blue jay or a cardinal, a red cardinal. This is the signs that you need to be looking for. Yeah, somebody's going to call you, but they're going to try to seduce you. Male or female, they're going to try to seduce you. I'm trying to tell you. Be mindful. This is your reading. If you need a personal reading, reach out to me. My email's down below. Till the next time, namaste.